Hi, I'm Brandy. This is Hound Dog Hollow, and today I'm finally going to be doing my unboxing of the Threads of Fate Weaver Tarot. I got it as a companion to my Threads of Fate Shadow Oracle. So the box. Here's some images on the back. So it's holographic coating and gold foil illustration. Threads of Fate, I really like their cards. This is my second deck by them. They are pricey, but they're very nice quality. Magic is for you. That's one of my most deeply cherished beliefs. It's for everybody. Magic belongs to all people. This is Ouroboros. Weaver Tarot, nice little size. Goes through typical tarot from the major arcana through. It's got some spreads, a full moon or a new moon. I have not worked with it yet. It has not been blessed by a campfire. So that's my personal belief. So I have looked at them. I've had thought about them. I just have not. This is the two snakes. So a lot of the imagery here coincides with the oracle, so it's really nice. I got them to be companions to each other, so you can't see it, but it's very sparkly gold, very beautiful. Here's the backs. The cardstock is really nice. I think. I feel like my other one. Oh my god. Pardon me. I feel like my Shadow Oracle, it has maybe a little tiny bit better cardstock margin. Like the thickest of all of my decks is the Shadow Oracle. I do not know if that is an accident. So here's the card. It's kind of like a little card extra, and there's a lot of symbolism in here, so it kind of tells you what they mean. It tells you the different numbers and such. So they don't use the traditional names. So like the king of each suit is the ruler, the sovereign is the queen, the conqueror is the knight, and the seeker is the page. Then it tells you the suits and just like where you can find the information for each of the different cards. And so that's the bottom card. So this is the Fool. I think it's really pretty. The Magi, which is the Magician. The High Sage is the High Priestess. I think that everything is gender neutral as well. The Pillar. Although it does, so both of these have like moon phases, and that's very evocative of feminine to me, the goddess. So you have your Empress here. The Anchor is the Emperor. I like this representation for him a lot. The Hierophant, my birth card. The Lovers. The Chariot. Strength. I'm not sure. Not all of them I feel like are precisely my favorite representation, but they are very beautiful and they do make me feel very intuitive. Justice. The Hanged One. Death. And that is kind of, this one I find very evocative of the death meaning. So like an ending, a beginning, a rebirth. Because snakes, I think about how they shed their skin. I like this one. It's not my favorite representation of death is Santa Muerte or a Calavera, but this one's pretty cool. And so in the other one that I like as a companion, it is a beautiful skull with roses and stuff on it. So I like that imagery a little bit better than this one, but I get what they're getting at. So Temperance is my other birth card. The Devil. The Tower. The Star. The Moon. It's like little skulls in here. The Sun. Very pretty. Judgment. So again, a lot of these symbols are in my other deck as well. I should do a side by side. If you guys are interested in that, please let me know. The World. And then we get into the suits. So Ace of Wands, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, there's a little rainbow here. 7, 8, 9, 10. The Seeker, which we often call the Page. The Conqueror, which would be the Knight. There's definitely a snake all around here. I like that. The Sovereign is the Queen. It's a lion with horns. I really like that. And the Ruler is the King. And the Ace of Cups. 2, 3, 4. Ooh, 5 jumped out at me. Not my favorite. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This one's really pretty. So the Seeker is again the Page. There's a wishbone. Conqueror is the Knight. Sovereign is the Queen. It's a beautiful pearl. Ruler is the King. Ace of Swords. 2 of Swords. I like how it's like a blindfolded skull, but it's got a third eye. It's really interesting. 3 of Swords is this beautiful bird being stabbed. 4 of Swords. 5 of Swords. 6 of Swords. It's like a jaw with knives and a rose. Or swords and a rose. 7 of Swords. It's really pretty to me, like bird claws. And a crescent moon. And then the swords. 8 of Swords. 9 with the eyeballs stabbed out. It's basically how I feel about all the damn swords. And then 10 of Swords. It's just through the hands. Just not great. Seeker of Swords is, again, the Page. Conqueror is the Knight. And it just looks like a crown of thorns. Sovereign is the Queen. And it's like, I like this really delicate butterfly. And then the Ruler is the King. So I really like the imagery a lot. Ace of Coins. 2 of Coins. And if you notice, the coins each have different things to kind of go. So seed, obviously. And this is a tooth and like a crystal. Wings, waves, fire. So 3 of coins. 4. All the coins have different things. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. So that, of course, would be Pentacles, right? So this is the Page, the Knight, which is the Conqueror, the Sovereign or the Queen, crystals, and the Ruler or the King, King of Pentacles. So I really like this deck. I really like the imagery. Can't wait to start using it. But with everything in my place, it's very rainy, and I hate camping in the rain. So we really haven't gotten out to get these blessed yet. But when I do, I'm really excited. If you guys are interested in seeing a side-by-side with this deck, and it's the companion, to me it's a companion, it's not officially a companion, oracle, please let me know. Otherwise, as always, like, comment, subscribe. I'll leave the information for where you can buy this deck in the description below. Love you guys. Bye.